Happy Wednesday, everybody. How are you? So on your depth of field Google slide, I added an extra slide for today. So today's Critique Wednesday. Usually we actually present and everybody shows their photos, but because of the platforms we're on right now, it's not possible. So for Critique Wednesday, the directions are use a symbol or image and paste it on the best photo that describes depth of field for each person in class. Put your symbol image on the next slide. So on this slide, I made a chart with your name. I already put my little Bitmoji in here, so it really is about this size, and I did make it very small to fit next to my name. I mean, it can go even smaller. And that's what I need you to do. So you can put an image in there next to your name. You could do insert, there's shape somewhere. Oh, special characters. No, that's not correct. I'm sorry, I should be prepared. And now I can't see, oh, because my face is in the way. Insert, there should be a shape somewhere. Shape, there it is. So pick a shape. I do not want duplicate shapes though. So if you see somebody already has a heart, somebody already has a smiley face, you have to pick something else, okay? So you can pick any of these. You can also, you can change the colors so that it looks fun. Oh, I want the inside to be that color. There we go. All right, so pretend that this is Ben's star, okay? But everyone should have a different image or symbol. You could also, if you want to be different, let's see, image, upload from computer, nope. Sorry. Insert image, search the web. You could put like your favorite, I don't know, like a thumbs up. And then you could insert that. And you just have to make it small to fit in the chart. Okay? So once you do that, then what you're going to do is copy your image or symbol. Look through everyone's slides. So remember, everybody's supposed to have 5 slides with 4 pictures on each one. I want you to look for the photos that have the best depth of field. The best depth of field. Once you decided which one has the best, like I like this one a lot, I like that one a lot. I also like this one a lot. I'm probably going to pick the paw. So then paste and put your symbol near that photo that you think is the best example of depth of field, okay? Please don't just go off of what I did put. Please don't go off of the most popular. Look and actually take your time and see, is this describing depth of field the best? If they all describe depth of field, then you can go off of your personal taste. What do you like the most? But hopefully this will be a fun and interactive way for you to engage with your peers' photographs, okay? I hope you all have a wonderful day. I miss you, and I will see you tomorrow.